this is editing Mallory. Welcome to my channel. Since this is at the beginning of the video, so I hope you all are having a good day so far. I just wanted to give a little disclaimer and tell you guys that this video was filmed 6 months ago to probably even 8 months ago. It was a while back. I kind of hinted at my last video that I was gonna upload a older video, and then I was gonna go back into my newer content later on, but I did film this a very much while back. I finally got a new tripod, so I will be able to be starting videos again, and I really hope you guys enjoy this ASMR video, and make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. And yeah, have a good rest of you guys' day.